Fetus weight is 3 kg. Liquor weight is 0.8 kg. Placenta weight is 0.6 kg. Uterus weight is 0.9 kilogram. Breast 0.4 kilogram. Now important for MCQ is the relation between this and this, that is fetus and placenta, which is of 5:1 ratio. Remember this ratio, that remember this ratio between fetus and placental weight gain. Or you can also get an MCQ that placental weight is equal to 20% of fetus. This is important for MCQ, this thing and 20%. Now moving on, fat accumulation. Is 3.5 kilogram. Increase in blood volume, it is 1.3 kilograms. Then increase in ECF is extracellular fluid is 1.2 kilograms. Another two important MCQ points: water retained during pregnancy at term is 6.5 liters. Okay, and what is rapid weight gain? Rapid weight gain is when it is more than 0.5 kilograms or 1 pound per week, or it is greater than 2 kilograms or 5 pound per month. Then you will classify these weight gains as rapid weight gains. Okay, so these are important for your MCQs. Next is hematological changes. Let me clear all this. Yep. So the first thing that we are gonna do here is blood volume. What are the changes in blood volume? First of all, first MCQ point is it starts to increase from 6th week. Next is it is maximum at 30 to 32 weeks, and it increases by 50%. Just these three things in blood volume. Second is plasma volume. it increases by 40 to 50%, and total increase is 1.25 liters. Then is plasma cell. It increases by 20 to 30%, and the plasma cell includes both RBC and hemoglobin. That means, therefore, that pregnancy is a hemodilutional state. RBC increases, WBC increases, and platelets